transported away to somewhere totally different.
You are the sentinels, silent and sure, keeping watching.
Oh, the orchestra was wonderful. I mean, you can't ask for a better backdrop. The orchestra really made a huge amount of difference, I think. And having the live music and all of the scores were wonderful, of course. Phantom of the Opera, Les Mis, to have a live orchestra really makes a huge difference, I think.
Soon they will see that I can choose to be free. They all look for someone to blame, but I swear that I will be proud and martyr.
I loved the fun and humour between them. It really was a camaraderie. And it came across as if they were mates and pals for many, many years. And it really invited the audience onto the stage with them.
I think purely from my own love of the musical, my favourite moment was John Owen Jones singing Bring Him Home. His voice is so effortlessly beautiful, it's wonderful.
One by one, how soon they fly on and on, and I am old and
I think people would come to this show regardless of age, gender, nationality. If they love Andrew Lloyd Webber, if they love good singing, everybody in the family should come to see this show.